Hey guys, back again with another episode of What You Can't Get in California. Today, it's a Glock. Not just any Glock, this is a Glock 43. Can't get a Glock 43 in California. Why can't you get a Glock 43 in California? I don't know. It's the same design as a Glock 17, Glock 19, Glock 26, Glock 27, but for some reason, you can't get a Glock 43 in California. Now, this is a pretty special Glock though. This is a very interesting Glock. Clear magazine. Very interesting setup. Well, this particular Glock is what they call a folding stock. So, you press this little button back here. You slide this right up. Now, your magazine can actually stay in here. Oops, wrong direction. Apologize. And you can bring it up, lock it all in. It stays right here just like so. So this is a very interesting weapon, and when you deploy this, it literally goes right into place. Ready to fire, ready to go. The trigger pull on this, the reset on this is not real large either. So this trigger actually folds, if you can see that, folds up, and whenever you want to put this thing away, press the back right here, the back strap button right here. You can slide this magazine up and in as you come across. And there it is. Now, just so you know, here's the size of a cell phone. That is pretty small. The thickness of it, about 2 cell phones thick. If you put this in your pocket, it'll look like you're carrying a cell phone around. It will not look like a gun. Which makes it a very nice concealable weapon. But, hey, nope, sorry. Can't get these in California. That quick. Ready to go. Okay, you can put it away. You can have one in the chamber. You can put it away. There's no way that I can pull that trigger now. There's just no way you can get to it. So, why isn't this gun safe? Your guess is as good as mine. You tell me. Deploying this again, ready to go. You have one in the chamber already, pull the trigger. Putting it away, that quick. This is a neat little pistol. Neat little pistol. Deploying it, boom. Ready to rock. Alright, there you go. Another episode of What You Can't Get in California. These things are available all throughout the country. Why can't we have them? Why can't California people have them? Why? Because they don't want you to be protected better than maybe them. Alright, there you go, guys. Today's episode, Glock 43, collapsible stock. Hope you guys have a good one. We'll see you next time.